How do you feel about acupuncture in the ass? I said it. Acupuncture in my glutes. It feels wonderful. Wonderful. Do you see it in my face? It's like relief. So much relief. I got plans, let me tell you.
And I did put a few extra needles today.
Okay, I saw that. I was trying to get an idea of where you put them at, like on my knees.
Yeah. So
no, this stuff freaks people out.